In this video, I'm going to show you how to add parallax scrolling in Wix. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Wix website editor, just right here. Now you want to click here on add elements, and let's say you want to add a strip. So here you can either add a background color strip, you can also add a video strip or an image strip. So let's select the image. And from here, as you can see, the image strip is now added. So I just put it here on the top for an example. You can also change this picture. So just click on change background. You can select any backgrounds right here from Wix. You can also upload your own photo right here. So let's say this is the photo that you want to add. What you want to do is just click here on background scroll effects. And as you can see, parallax scroll effect is available right here. So simply click on it. Now to see if it actually has the parallax effect, just click here on preview in the upper right corner. And this is the preview of your Wix website. So when we scroll, as you can see, it has the parallax effects. So that is how you can add parallax scrolling effect in Wix. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.